Hi there, this is Rachel here at Subaru of Puyallup, and today we're going to go over how to use the surround view monitor on an all-new 2023 Ascent. Moving on to the inside, to get access to the surround view monitor, you'll press this button that says View. Once I press that, a bird's eye view of the vehicle will pop up. It'll actually start to spin, so then you can click which side of the car you want to see. If you also put it in reverse, it'll show you the regular reverse. It'll also, if you click this, also show you how wide you're turning, how tight your space is, and if you want to go forward, click it again. It'll show you how close you are to the curb, the side of your vehicle in front. You click it again, it'll show you just the camera in front and how close you're getting. There you go, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Subaru of Puyallup today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.